Hello everyone. My name is Nhat Tri and today I'm going to read a book called I'm Growing. I'm growing. I have been growing for a long time. Here's the picture when I was a baby. I can't believe little was I. Look how I've grown. I've grown. Look how different now. The feature of my face has changed and they are bigger, especially my nose. My arm and legs are longer and my neck is heavier and taller. I have been go on outside. I've been growing inside too. My bones are bigger, my muscles are bigger. There's so my brain, heart and lungs, stomach and other organs. Everything inside me grow. The skin I covered me grow too. No matter how big your bones get, your skin always fit. You may pop your button, but you can't pop your skin. When I was a baby, I had baby teeth. Now I'm losing my baby teeth. They will fit my growing face. I have to take care of my new teeth, and have last me all my life. Most people grow until they reach a certain age, but sometimes people grows long. For some reason, people grow very little and stop growing soon. That's what happened to our friend. He remains small though he's a grown-up. Most people stop growing at their late 10s. After that, a person grows thinner or fatter. But everyone's grow older, but bones and organs don't go bigger anymore. Yet some part of you don't stop growing. Hair always grow. Look, Anna. Anna never cuts her hair. She almost can sit on it. Louis' hair grows fast. He cut every month. Jerry's grandfather has lots of hair on his top head, but he keeps growing on the side. Fingernails and toenails never stop growing either. When you play, you use the energy. When you go, you use the energy too. That's why you get hungry. Food, especially good food with protein and vitamins, minerals in it, you give you energy, will help you. When I eat good breakfast, good lunch, when I come to school, I'm hungry again. I have a snack. I have good dinner. My mother said I'm a growing boy. Not everyone eats the same amount. I eat more than my big sister or little brother. But he's growing too. Not everyone grows at the same time either. Some people grow on us, but they took a picture as their friends last year, and look at us now. Look at our size has changed, yet we are the same age. We are growing our own way, our own speed, our own grown up, maybe the same size. Or we will be different size. Right now I'm the size I am going to try my new clothes. But they are a little bit big, but I'm growing it. It will happen to you too. This is the end of the book. I'm growing. Now I know that how I will grow. Bye bye.